Game 1 went relatively easy to the Spurs, 91-79. On to Game 2. In game number 1, Manu Ginobili and company really outran the Lakers. Ginobili tied for team-high honors with 18. Dwight Howard for LA, 20 and 15. They really struggled in the first quarter of Game 1. Here on the defensive end, Pau Gasol saying, Mark's not the only one that can play defense in this family. On the other end, it's Dwight Howard. LA was just 7 of 20 in the first quarter in game number 1, much improved in the first period of game 2. Dwight Howard off the Steve Blake miss, getting the throwdown. Dwight, 10 points and 3 blocks before the half was out. Manu Ginobili to Kawhi Leonard, part of a 10-3 San Antonio run to close the quarter. They led it by 5 after 1. Tim Duncan off of the LA turnover, running the break and finishing. He had 12 first-half points. It was 41-37. Now Steve Blake for LA pulls up and buries the jumper. 2-point game. Manu Ginobili running the two-man game with DeJuan Blair. He hits Blair in the face. And eventually Ginobili gets it back and connects. Take another look. Blair taking one for the team. Ginobili was 3 of 4 from downtown in the game. Spurs on another run to end the quarter. Kawhi Leonard. He had 14 in the first half on 7 of 10 shooting, part of a 13-4 run. It was 56-48 San Antonio at the break. Third quarter, difficult times for Dwight Howard. Called for the loose ball foul there. Then Dwight called for the offensive foul, his 4th of the game early in the second half. And yep, he's headed to the bench. Steve Nash drives to the bucket, hits the layup and the foul. Nash banged up on the play. He hits the free throw and then would limp down the court. It was a 7-point game in favor of San Antonio. Tony Parker owned the second half. 15 third quarter points, 24 of his 28 coming in the second half. San Antonio up by 10 as we head to the fourth. Earl Clark driving, missing. Thiago Splitter comes up with the ball. He gets it ahead to Gary Neal. And it's 84-70. San Antonio in control. Tony Parker to Tim Duncan. 2 of his 16, 88-74. Then Tony Parker to Matt Bonner. San Antonio hits 7 of 14 from downtown. What a second half by Manu Ginobili to put this one away. Again, fast break points. The story over the first 2 games. San Antonio 34. Lakers 13. Spurs up 2 games to none. Game 3 Friday in LA.